The Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9 is a gaming laptop that comes with a good set of hardware. This includes a combination of a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12450HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 discrete graphics card. In addition to that, you also get 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD on this thing. It can be upgraded further to quadruple the memory and double the storage capacity. The Lenovo LOQ 15 features a 15.6 inches FHD plus IPS display with a peak brightness of 300 nits and a 144 Hz refresh rate. While we often strive for the highest display resolution, the LOQ 15 still provides a commendable performance. Most of the LOQ 15's ports are on the back, under the hinge. You'll find a power connector that supports Lenovo's proprietary 170W charging cable, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, and an Ethernet port. On the right side, you'll find another USB-A port, a headset jack, and a USB-C port, DisplayPort 1.4 connectivity and 140W power delivery. Keyboard. 1.5mm key travel. White backlit keyboard with 100 PCT. Anti-ghosting. Battery-wise, the LOQ 15 features a 60 Wh integrated battery paired with a 170 Watt power adapter. In real-world usage, it offers approximately 7.5 hours of productivity in casual usage, with around 5 hours of gaming before requiring a recharge. Processor. Intel Core i5-12450HX. Speed, 2.4 GHz. Base, T. P-Core up to 4.4 GHz. E-Core up to 3.1 GHz. Cache, 12 MB. Graphics. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 4GB GDDR6 dedicated graphics with max TGP65W, G-Sync, cooling, dual 85mm 12V high-speed fans and larger vents ensure quiet and powerful cooling. AI Engine Plus. The Lenovo AI Engine Plus and Lenovo LA1 AI chip work together with the MUX switch with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus for a truly epic boost in performance, at levels you've never seen before. Audio. 2x2 WHD stereo speakers. Nahimic audio with surround sound, sound tracker, night mode, sound sharing and content profiles. Camera, HD 720p, E-cam shutter, integrated dual-array microphone. Wireless, Intel Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax. Starting from Bluetooth 5.1. Camera 720p. E-shutter. (170 Watt power adapter).